Hello and welcome to Bespoke. My name is Paul Anthony.
And I'm CP.
And today we're going to be talking about the differences between a round parejo cigar and a box press. So Charles Fleet, we have the Camacho Connecticut parejo or round cigar, and we have the Camacho box press cigar there. And I was wondering if you could tell our viewers in this quick video of the main differences they can expect from these two types of cigar, even though they're the same blend.
Well, first of all, one is square, the other is round. That is the biggest mind-blowing difference. But to get more specific, one will feel more different in your hand and the other one will feel rounder. Whereas this will have a perfect, because you're putting a round peg in a round hole, this will have a perfect seal in the mouth. It will draw maybe slightly hotter than this because it is square. By nature of that, you're going to have little gaps in the corner of your mouth, which will mean a cooler smoke and a longer smoke as well. That is the first and foremost difference, I guess. After that, you have the differences in maybe oils and aging process. If you take these out of the cellophane, you leave them to age for a number of years, they may age better because they are pressed together than these, but that is another subject that is very much up for debate.
Okay, so we had this long debate in the video link above me where we talk about 10-15 minutes around this. So just to kind of keep it short and sweet for you guys, the difference between a round and a box press. From a box press cigar, you are potentially going to get three things. One, it's going to smoke a little bit cooler because you're not going to get the same sort of seal around the cigar. Two, as a result, it's probably going to burn a little bit longer. And three, some people subscribe to the fact that it marries the flavors a little bit better. A fourth and possibly personal preference issue is the fact that some people prefer the box press in the hand and in the mouth, but that can also apply for the parejo round cigar. So we hope that has helped open your eyes to box press versus round. So it's really up to you. So the best thing to do, and it's not exactly a hard task or a chore, is to go out and try some for yourself. So
sorry.
With that, we have actually reviewed these two cigars side by side and individually. You can see the link below, as well as many other cigars at bespokeunit.com. We welcome your comments and questions below if you have anything about this particular topic or any other. So that is enough from me, Paul Anthony.
And CP right here.
So from all of us here at Bespoke Unit, we'll see you next time.
Take care.